All right, fellas, let's get right into it. If you watched my last video about unlocking the secret morning habits of high-performing men, you know it's not about waking up at 4 a.m. necessarily or drinking some magic green juice. It's about building a simple, repeatable routine that actually makes you feel good and keeps you on your game. So here's what I do every single morning. No fluff, no hype, just the essentials. First thing, and I mean right when you wake up, drink a big glass of water. Not coffee, not energy drinks, water. Hydrating first thing wakes up your body, gets your head clear, and honestly, it's an easy win. Now, I know a lot of you are tempted to grab your phone right away. Don't. Seriously. Give yourself a solid 10 minutes before you even look at it. Make your bed and instead, take 10 minutes and do a quick stretch or some light movement. Nothing fancy. I usually roll my shoulders, get a good arm stretch, stretch out my neck, get a good hamstring stretch and touch my toes, or should I say, attempt to touch my toes. It helps get the blood moving. All right, now here's where it gets personal. I want you to pick one thing that grounds you. Could be journaling, could be a prayer. Maybe you just sit quietly and set your intention for the day. For me, I pray and give thanks. That's how I start. I step outside on the front porch and walk across my yard and look at the sunrise and take in some fresh air. If you journal, you may want to jot down 3 things you want to get done that day. That's it. Small, realistic goals. You're not writing a novel, just keeping yourself focused. For me, my focus comes when I take 5 minutes to step outside, rain or shine. Just breathe in that fresh air, listen to the birds, and let my mind wake up. Makes a world of difference. Love that. You should try it. See, you don't need a fancy gym or a mountain retreat. It's about starting simple and staying consistent. Next up, hygiene. You know how I feel about this, fellas. A warm shower with antibacterial soap or body wash. Use a cloth, loofah or micro scrubber to lift and remove sweat, bacteria and dead skin cells. Brush your teeth, take care of your face. Just an FYI. Cold water splash does wonders for waking you up and tightening up your skin after a wash and shave. Trust me, it does work. Last part, of course. Dress with intention. I'm not saying throw on a suit every day or if you work from home, but don't just grab yesterday's wrinkled tee. Put on clean clothes, something that makes you feel put together. It's a mental shift and you're telling yourself, today matters. So here's today's recap. Water, movement, a grounding practice and discipline, hygiene and intentional dress. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and watch how your days start to change. All right, give it a shot tomorrow morning. Let me know how it goes in the comments. And remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Peace, gentlemen.
Faster. This you let it go, you can let it go. This you let it go, I can let it go. You think I'm too much, because I'm too much. Don't you gotta go.